Big day at the car salon. Doing a bit of an unboxing event here today. Show you some fine products that. I'm going to go ahead and do that again. Hey guys, it's Matt again from the car salon. We're going to show a bit of an unboxing event today. I got a real big deal going into a 2018 Ram 2500. We're going to actually replace the clutch on this beast. We had issues with the customer, had felt a bit of a slip once towing, and he just can't have that. The truck's only got 80,000 K, but he's kind of running into little things that he wants to just prevent in the future. So we did order up a beautiful South Bend clutch for this fellow. We're going to show you what's involved in unboxing this unit today. So if you can stick around with us for a few minutes, you'll be pretty amazed at the product that we've got here. It has a sign saying that it's 117 pounds, and I agree with them. It is super duper heavy. Two guys to lift the entire kit and its contents. Of course, has an entire flywheel in here as well as the pressure plate, both the discs and all that, so you can tell it's going to add up to some weight. South Bend does some pretty cool stuff along with their packaging, which we can look at in here. Is kind of been spray foamed to make sure that this stuff doesn't bounce around in shipping. So they really do give a big care about their product. Got some literature here, some warranty information as well, and we get to the good stuff. Now this is a full organic plated clutch. Organic clutches work a little bit better for the feel on the pedal. It's not so on and off, and better heat dissipation, as well as really going to lock up to tow. This thing is guaranteed to tow 30,000 pounds. Should be enough. So it does come with a complete new clutch fork, all painted up to match. We've got some pretty heavy gear. It actually is all bolted together, so there's a very minimal chance that my body will be able to lift this thing. I'm going to try and get a little bit of a peel here, but again, that is 117 pounds of clutch that might destroy this table. So stick around for the blooper reel. So unbeknownst to me, this is a bit of an additional service that South Bend Clutch will offer. They'll actually cryogenically freeze the clutch. Yes, cryogenically freeze the clutch. This is a heat treat process that works as extending the life of the clutch discs themselves. It goes into very, very cold temperatures. Couldn't tell you what. Han Solo might be able to tell you how cold that is, because that's what they did to him. So just a heads up, if you do order the clutch directly from South Bend for an additional $50 American, they will cryogenically freeze the entire assembly. It does come with a pretty cool product as well, a full hydraulic conversion with a nice steel braided line. Beautiful little slave cylinder for this thing here. Nice braided line with the heat tape on it. And yeah, that will be kind of the finishing touch to the clutch. It just provides a little bit more of a pressure rated line for better clutch feel. So what we did decide to go with is the BD Diesel Throttle Sensitivity Booster. This is a fantastic little product. It works for gas engines, diesel engines, cars, trucks, SUVs, whatever you like, but basically takes that fly-by-wire feel and adjusts it. So it's just a simple little box, plug and play. There's no cutting, splicing, wiring, any issues like that. Basically you get your little harness, ties into the throttle pedal and back underneath into a factory connector. Basically what this does is it just makes that throttle pedal feel exact. As soon as you're on the gas, it's going to give you that gas, going to give you the torque that you need right off the bat. This will actually spool your turbocharger a little bit faster, because now you're getting that more of a what you would say direct pedal straight to your computer. So we're really excited to try this out. I think the customer is going to be super happy. We're going to kind of change up the way that this truck drives quite a bit. And do some Yeah, no words. Can't figure out a word right now, so we're just going to show you that again. That should be good, eh?